Hey guys, so I just got my intake from AFE Power from my F30 335i with an N55 engine. Let's open it up so we can install it. AFE. The inspection stickers. And here it is. Looks like we got some instructions. There you go. So it looks like we have a filter right here, the piping for it, and the housing. There you go. Yep. So we're gonna go ahead and start taking out the stock intake and install the new intake. So I just removed the stock intake. It was really easy. All I had to do was disconnect the sensor, the vacuum line, and also loosen up this clamp right here. Lift it up and it came right out. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the AFE power intake. So I already installed the housing. Now we're gonna switch the sensor and the vacuum line connection to the new intake pipe. By the way, AFE, they do send you new screws and the tool for the sensor, so you do not need the old ones. So I transferred everything to the new pipe. Now we're going to go ahead and slide it in here. And that's it. So this is the last piece. We give you a rubber. You can put it on top of the housing and push it in really hard. So there it is, AFE power intake and 55 motor. We're gonna take it for a run, make sure there's no check engine light, and see how it feels. So far no engine light, so that's good. I'm trying to take it somewhere where I can step in and see how it feels. What the fuck? Hold on. So yeah guys, I had to cut that for a second. I'm gonna try it again because it went sideways on me. Let's try it again. That was horrible. So the car, I can feel the power, a lot more power now. You can hear that turbo spooling more, so the sound is amazing. Yes, I am very happy with this intake. video, please like and subscribe.